These are 5 to 6 amlas chopped and cut into pieces. Next you will be requiring a bowl of semi-dried hibiscus leaves, 3 inches of ginger chopped, 2 teaspoons of nigella or kala jeera, 1 bowl of semi-dried curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of carom seeds or ajwain, and these are 2 tablespoons of methi soaked overnight, and 2 medium-sized onion chopped. Now I've put all the things in the blender, and I will add 2 teaspoons of oil to grind it. So the mixture will look something like this after grinding. Don't forget to add 2 teaspoons of oil, and do not add even a drop of water in it. Remember that, and grind it. It can be a rough paste also, never mind. So I have added 750 ml of 800 to 850 ml of coconut oil to the mixture, and I have put it on boil. It's boiling, and I have kept the flame low. It will be like boiling in very low flame. So let it boil. So after a while, after 5 to 7 minutes, it will look something like this. You don't forget to stir it. Keep on stirring, or it may stick to the bottom. So just keep on stirring it. The whole process of making this oil should take you about not more than 10 to 12 minutes. So guys, keep on stirring it and keep the flame low only. And this oil is extremely beneficial for your overall hair health. It will make your hair go more dark if you have white hair especially. And see, the oil is almost done, and it is looking something like this. The oil is the water is evaporating, so the content should look something like this, and you can understand by this that yes, the oil is done. It's time to switch off the flame, and you will simply extract the oil using a muslin cloth or a strainer. And this is amazing guys. If you have dry, frizzy and rough hair, just keep it for 2 hours or overnight, and next day use a mild shampoo to wash it off. You yourself will be able to see the result. And this is not where we are done. And see, I have strained the oil using a strainer, and see, just try to extract as much oil as you can out of it. The oil should look something like this. So there will be a little bit of sedimentation. After you have strained the oil, add 50 ml of castor oil and 100 ml of olive oil to this oil, and just give it a good shake, and your whole oil is ready to use. I'm so sorry, the footage got deleted by me. So I'll detangle my hair first using a white tooth comb. Try to use a wooden comb if you have. I don't know, I can't find my wooden comb right now. Divide it into 2 sections and start combing. Guys, do not comb your wet hairs, because that will lead to more hair fall. As you guys can see, the residue. So I'll give it a good shake, and I'll start using it. Be soft and gentle, just like this. Press. Guys, you guys can make a bun, small bun or something like that, and let it stay like that. And I'll just wash it off after an hour. Hello you guys, so I'm back after washing my hairs. I have air dried my hairs, and you guys can see the shine already. My hairs are not colored. These are my natural black hairs. I haven't even combed my hairs. Still you guys can see the shine it is giving. It is awesome, and my hairs feel so soft and manageable. Guys, do go and give it a try. No matter whatever your hair problem is, you have dandruff, you have itchiness on your scalp, you have gray hairs, you are having hair loss, just close your eyes and go for it. Make this oil and use it. You will never regret. This is one of the awesome oils I've ever tried on my hairs, and I'm really satisfied with it. So you guys can see this shine, and it is too soft. My hairs are too soft to touch. You guys can still see I haven't combed my hair, and it is still looking so manageable and so soft. See, and try to use a mild organic shampoo and a conditioner. If you have dry hairs, if you have oily hairs, I will not recommend a conditioner, but go for you can use Livon, few drops of Livon only on the length of your hair, So it is awesome. Just go and use the oil, make it and use it, and you can store it for 6 months without any worries. Just use it and take its wonderful benefits. So if you guys like the video, go and hit that like button. There's a subscribe button, go and hit that too, because I'll try to post honest content. Whichever I'm using on myself, I'm posting that only. So hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I love you all. Bye bye.